Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall.
Right, we're up on the body shop, people. Yeah, man, you're good, man. What me about for sure, you know? This man don't have a welding plant. See welding plant as well? Mash up. You don't need to go to college, you know? Watch out. Shabba, run it. Touch something. Alright, go on then. Alright. Watch it. Alright, go easy. Alright, we are growing up, so you know we are going. See more time when I walk on, you know. You feel a joke. We are growing up, so you know, I'm going to show you the man. Kid. Man, watch it. The great Shabba. Where you will?
Watch it.
Alright, I'm show you what I got. So Shabba.
Yeah.
What? Sorry, I know my boss. What university you went to?
Jamaica Skill College.
You know, this is some creation we have here. Yo! Look at people, watch out.
Alright, stop.
Alright.
Viewers and subscribers, the first thing we want to point out with something like this is don't try it at home. Do not try this at home because this is not a joking thing. This is a serious thing. We are talking about electricity. We are talking about something that can cause persons to get real hurt. You can lose all your life. House can burn down and all these things. So don't try it at home. Alright? Now, me really bring this to you for show now how Jamaicans, you see me, are skilled. You see me, I say, you have a lot of skilled people in the world, you see me, and Jamaicans really skilled because really, you know, me I never really think that this could happen. Believe you me, I don't even, you know, because it's not like I'm some form of electrical engineer like that, you see me, I say. So therefore, me now go can say, yo, that could have happened already. So this now, they on social media, and I say to myself, say, no sir. This not normal. I have to make my viewers and subscribers look on something like this. This man build his own electrical welding plant. You get what I'm saying to you? Out of just water and certain things. How him do this? You see me, I said this is incredible. I have to really and truly show my viewers and subscribers. You see it? No man, this not normal. But remember now, you know, don't try this at home. You see me, I say this is only for showing you a certain skill where Jamaican people have. I have to really repeat it again. You see me, I say. Alright, so big up to that brother there and big up to all of them where, you know, really and truly know to do certain things. You see me, I say, cause really and truly, yo, if you see this, you would really believe that this man go to school for these kind of things. Alright. Anyways, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. Leave your comments. Let me know what you think about something like this. Alright? My name is Dancehall Skilla. Uno big up on yourself. You see it?